Hey there, today we're comparing two awesome AI coding tools, JetBrains AI Assistant and GitHub Copilot. Let's find out which one's best for you. First, JetBrains AI Assistant. It's built for JetBrains IDEs like IntelliJ, PyCharm, and WebStorm. It's super smooth with features like code completion, fixing bugs, and writing commit messages. It knows your project inside out, so its suggestions feel spot on. Plus, it keeps your code private and doesn't use it to train models. It's great if you love JetBrains tools and want a tool that feels like part of your IDE. Now GitHub Copilot. This one works in many IDEs like VS Code, Visual Studio, and even JetBrains IDEs. It's powered by OpenAI and shines at suggesting code snippets, whole functions, or even boilerplate code. It supports tons of languages from Python to Rust and has a chat feature to explain code or debug. It's fast and flexible, perfect for quick coding or switching between editors. So how do they stack up? JetBrains AI is a champ for deep integration with JetBrains IDEs. It's better for refactoring, understanding your project, and keeping things private. Copilot, though, is more versatile. It works across IDEs, supports more languages, and is quicker for generating code on the fly. JetBrains feels more polished in its own ecosystem, but Copilot's chat and broad support give it an edge for diverse workflows. Which is better? If you're all in on JetBrains IDEs and value privacy, go with JetBrains AI. If you want flexibility, speed, and work in multiple IDEs, Copilot's your pick. Try both and see what fits your style. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Like and subscribe for more videos.